Number 1, Chapter 9 test review. This is your first test of the 5th 6 weeks. We want to find the geometric means of 9 and 12. To get the geometric means, you're going to do 9 over x and x over 12. You'll cross multiply. You'll get x squared equals 108. You're going to get the square roots of both. Okay, so the square root of 108 could be simplified by making it 36 times 3. And the square root of 36 is 6, and the 3 would stay in the square root symbol. So 6 square root of 3. Number 2, we're going to get the geometric means of 6 square root of 6 and 3 square root of 6. So we'll draw our proportion, put 6 over the square root of 6 over x, and x times over 3 square root of 6. Okay, so x times x is x squared. Now then, the square root of 6 times the square root of 6 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. So 18 times 6 is going to be 108. And just by coincidence, it's the same answer as this, isn't it? You could turn 108 into 36 times 3. So the answer would be 6 square root of 3. Okay, now then, for number 3, you got to think about how would you go from 6 square root of 3 back to the 108. If we wanted to go 6 square root of 3 back to the 108, we would take the 6, do 6 times 6, get the 36, and multiply it by 3, wouldn't we? This is what we're going to do on this one. So our geometric means is 5 square root of 2 in it. That means our answer would be 5 square root of 2. So over here, I'm going to write down 5 square root of 2. Now then, we're going to go backwards and get our big square root number. So to go backwards, we're going to do not 6 times 6, but 5 times 5. So write down 25 times 2, and 25 times 2 is 50. So when we cross multiply, we should end up with 50. Now then, draw your fraction bars. One of the extremes is what? 5. So we have 5 over x equals x over we don't know. So what can we multiply 5 by and get 50? We can multiply 10, can't we? So our other extreme is 10. And then 10 times 5 would be 50.